What is 5S? 5S is a workplace organization methodology that originated in Japan and is widely used in manufacturing and service industries worldwide. It stands for 5 Japanese terms, each starting with the letter S, that describe the steps involved in organizing and maintaining a clean and efficient workplace. The 5 terms are: Siri, sort. This step involves removing unnecessary items from the workplace. It requires identifying and segregating essential items from non-essential ones, and disposing of or relocating the latter. Satan, set in order. In this step, the necessary items are arranged in a neat and organized manner. Everything should have a designated place, and there should be a logical flow to the arrangement to enhance efficiency and reduce waste. Siso, shine. This step focuses on cleanliness. It involves regularly cleaning and maintaining the workplace to keep it free from dirt, dust, and debris. Cleaning should be a routine practice, ensuring a safe and pleasant working environment. Seiketsu, standardize. Standardization aims to establish consistent procedures and practices in the workplace. It involves creating and implementing guidelines, checklists, and visual controls to ensure that everyone follows the same standards of organization and cleanliness. Shitsuke, sustain. Sustaining the 5S methodology is an ongoing process. It requires discipline and continuous improvement to maintain the organized and clean workplace. Regular audits, employee training, and fostering a culture of responsibility and ownership are essential for sustaining the 5S principles. Overall, the goal of 5S is to improve workplace efficiency, productivity, safety, and employee morale by creating a clean, organized, and standardized work environment.